Happy morning, children. So this is chapter 6. Today we are going to see chapter 6, conditional statement. In PHP, conditional statements are available to check whether the condition is true or not. If the condition is true, according to that, the action block will work out, will execute. If the condition is false, then the else part will work. So there are four types of conditional statement. One is, or first of all, you should know, before entering into conditional statement, you have to know about control structures. So in chapter 6, we are going to deal with PHP conditional statement. PHP conditional statement will cause a jump, or the control statement will cause a jump from one part of the program to another part. That is called as control statement. Like any other languages, PHP also allows to write code that perform different action based on the condition. So based on the condition, the PHP will execute, allows to write code that perform different actions. There are different conditional statements: if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, if else if else statement, switch statement. All these are considered as conditional statement. First, coming to if statement. So if you have one condition, you are going to check the condition whether it is true or not. If the condition is true, immediately you are asking to execute one set of statements. That's all. If the condition is false, you are not going to execute. You are not. You will not get any output, because as per the syntax you have written, if the condition is true, this action block will execute. That's all. So false means it will come out. So this is the simplest PHP conditional statement. Okay. See the syntax. If, open parenthesis, condition. Condition should be enclosed within parenthesis, and the statements, what should be done, those statements should be enclosed within flower bracket. If statement executes a statement or group of statements. So only they have written statement or statements if a specific condition is satisfied as per the user expectation. So now we are going to see the example. The PHP script starts with angular bracket question mark PHP. Then $pass mark is given. A value for $pass mark is 35. $student mark. These two are variables. Variables are declared. First, $pass mark is a variable, and using assignment operator, 35 constant is assigned to a variable called pass mark. Second variable is called as student mark. In that, 70 value is assigned. Immediately the condition is being checked. If $student mark, that is 70, is greater than or equal to pass mark, what statement should be executed? That is, echo the student is eligible for promotion will be executed. Now we will see as a practical. Okay. Now coming to start the control panel of XAMPP server. To execute any PHP program, you have to run the XAMPP server. For that, you have to get the control panel of XAMPP server. Now whatever you are seeing in the screen is called as XAMPP control panel. In that, you have to start Apache and MySQL. So it will, before starting, it will be like start. After starting, it will be in stop position, and you have to check whether status change deducted running is available or not. Then you have to minimize this. Okay, minimize this. Then what you're supposed to do is go to Notepad. In that you have to type what you're going to type. You're not able to see the font, so I'm increasing the size of font. So whatever I explained there with the example. So question mark PHP is the opening tag. Next, in dollar student mark, student underscore mark or hyphen mark is equal to student mark is 70. Then dollar pass mark is equal to 40. Okay, so immediately I'm going to check the condition if student mark, dollar student mark, dollar student mark, student hyphen mark is greater than or equal to pass mark, dollar pass mark. So what is the condition given? Student mark is 70. 70 is greater than pass mark. So you can print, immediately you have to open flat bracket and then print echo student is promoted or eligible for promotion. In message, whatever you want, you can give. Close the flat bracket. You can close it at the next end also, because you have to terminate this. Okay. Then you have to close PHP. Now save the file. While saving the file, you have to be very particular about where the XAMPP server is available. Inside the XAMPP, inside htdocs, inside one folder, inside my folder, that is whichever folder we have created, inside that only you have to. So here I'm going to give file1 in if condition. .php is very important. Save the file. And how will you execute? You have to go to Google Chrome. In your browser, you have to type localhost :1234. In my system, the localhost 1234 is applicable. Inside my folder, I have saved this file1 if.php. Now open this. You will be getting the output, but in my file on line number 2, error is available, so please check. In line number 2, dollar student hyphen mark is equal to 70 is greater than or equal to dollar pass mark. So what is error? So dollar student underscore mark is equal to 70, dollar pass underscore mark is equal to 40. So I'm going to check the condition if dollar student underscore mark is greater than or equal to pass mark. So definitely 70 is greater than pass mark. Okay, so student is promoted. So we'll check whether the output is correct or not. Save the file. Go to localhost, refresh and see. student is promoted. Able to see? Got the output? No? Okay. So next PHP conditional statement is if-else statement. If-else statement evaluates the condition and executes a set of code if the condition is true. It will execute one set of code if the condition is true and another code if the condition is false. See here, two blocks are available. One is if condition is true, this will execute, or else the else part will execute. Now we'll see the example for this. Pass mark is equal to 35, $student underscore mark is equal to 70. If student mark is greater than or equal to pass mark, the student is eligible for promotion. Else, if he got less than 35, what should be done? The student is not eligible for promotion should be printed. Able to understand? Wait, I'll explain. Same example I have opened. With the same example, I can print student is promoted. The else part should be inserted here. Else, you can give echo here. Echo double quotes. Student is not promoted because he got less than 40. You have to give in double quotes, semicolon. Why? All the statements should be terminated with semicolon symbol. Okay. Now you have to save the file. And then you can refresh it. Refresh and see. Since we have given the pass mark as 40, student mark is 70, always you will be getting student is promoted. If I change the student mark as dollar student underscore mark is equal to 20, what will happen now? The student is not promoted will be there. We'll save the file and refresh it. Reload the page. See, student is not promoted is displayed. Student is not promoted. Able to see this? Okay. So with this, I will stop the session, end the session. Next class, we will see the if, else, and switch statement. Okay. Thank you.